We welcome RJ Rashi, our Master of Ceremony for the event, a 360-degree marketing professional with an extensive experience in organizing events, content generation, voiceovers, and media. Currently working as a radio jockey with 92.7 Big FM, Ranchi. Also an avid traveler and biker who has traveled 8 lakh plus kilometers across India. She enjoys writing and storytelling that inspires people to break the loop and achieve their ambitions, especially women. XISS and TEDx Kanke proudly welcomes RJ Rashi on the stage to host the event. Here we go. Please give it up for RJ Rashi.
Oh my God, they're all here. They have called out your name. Why did I have to wear this heel? But it's okay. You have to go on the stage now. Just calm down. It's okay. Just calm down. Hi. I'm sorry you had to hear my Mann Ki Baat. I mean, it was my inner voice after all, which was speaking a bit loudly today. But a very warm welcome to all of you and a huge round of applause for all of you right at the beginning, please. My name is RJ Rashi, like is famously called these days. Otherwise, my name is Rashi. I work with 92.7 Big FM as a radio jockey, and I'm very honored to be hosting this program today and addressing a most wonderful audience. Okay, just by a quick raise of hands, how many of you have heard radio before? Ever in life? Yeah. So, now for a second, I'm going to take you back in time. Remember when radio used to sound like this? नमस्कार, आप सुन रहे हैं 201 फेक रेडियो पर आपका पसंदीदा कार्यक्रम आपकी फरमाइश. Have you heard this? Yes. So, you know, people realize that it's a bit monotonous and you can't be talking like this all the time and so much more can be done. So what we did was, thanks to some trendsetters and movie stereotyping, radio started to sound like this. Good morning, रांची. आज का मौसम बहुत ही खराब है, बाहर बहुत ट्रैफिक है, लेकिन आपको मजा बहुत आएगा क्योंकि मैं आपको गाने सुनाऊंगी. Heard this? But then radio evolved, it changed, and now we talk to people exactly like how I'm talking to you now. Absolutely candidly. This might be big or small, but this is breaking the loop in a way. So when I was asked to host this program, I thought what could be more apt than giving you this trivial example and setting it right up. When we say breaking the loop, we are not just talking about breaking the loop in personal lives, but we're talking about professionally, socially, academically, and of course, emotionally. So without further ado, let me invite on stage the director, assistant director, dean, and our speakers for a lamp lighting session with our curator for TEDx, Rajiv ji. Please come on stage. Yeah, save your energies. You're going to need it. Thank you so much. So in the meanwhile that our guests take the seats, are you guys set? Oh, come on. I didn't hear anything. Are you guys set? Yes. Are we ready to get this on the floor? Yes. So, you know, it is said that the aura of a true artist can be felt from miles away. And I felt it today. When I spoke to our first performer for the day, who is an Indian classical dancer well known for some of the best Odissi performances, she has received her training under late Guru Giridhari Nayak in Odissi Ashram for 25 years an A-graded Doordarshan Kendra New Delhi artist, an empaneled artist for Speak McKay for workshops, and currently working as the program assistant at the Indira Gandhi National Centre for the Arts, Regional Centre, Ranchi, under the Ministry of Culture, Government of India. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Sumedha Sengupta. She is going to be performing an Odissi Abhinaya, which portrays the miracles of little Krishna. It is a snippet from Krishna Leela. Sumedha Sengupta, everyone.
What a jaw-dropping performance. That was so enigmatic, but taaliyan thodi kam baj rahi hain. Thank you. So, ladies and gentlemen, the next person that I'm going to call on stage, he's an inspiration to a lot of students. But not just that, I have my internal sources. So when I asked the students what he means to them, you know what they said? They said he's like a homie to us. Now that's so cool to have like an introduction, especially when you are the director of XISS. I would like to invite Dr. Joseph Mariano Skujur, SJ, for a welcome address on stage. Please put your hands together.
Respected dignitaries, ladies and gentlemen,
Thank you so much, sir, and absolutely relate. Every drop is important. The next gentleman that I'm going to invite on stage is a very interesting mix of right amount of fun and some level of strictness and very articulate stories and experiences. He's very inspired by his father, and either he's doing new and different things or he's doing old things differently. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the curator of TEDx Kake, Mr. Rajiv Gupta.
Thank you everyone. Thank you for this warm welcome. Why I am here even I don't know. I am a foolish child but trying to do things differently. So by the grace of God and because of all of you, I am here. We are trying to create a footprint. And what is this? Honestly speaking, when I try to find out from within who am I, still I feel I am uneducated as Rajiv.
Thank you, Rajiv, sir. As he rightly put, while we are all breaking some or the other barriers for ourselves in life, there are some people who are breaking these barriers for those who can't do so themselves. They are people who are breaking the loop socially, professionally, and personally. And in this series, I would like to invite someone who is our first speaker. She is a firm believer of education and skills as vital tools for the betterment of the society. Her vision comprises of a world where children can express, women are empowered and independent. And I could have welcomed this polyglot in Tamil, Telugu, or Hindi, but ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for our first speaker, an educationist, entrepreneur, and social worker, Mary Stella Michael. Veravarpu, madam.
The rejected stone becomes the cornerstone.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I had something else written, that after Stella ma'am gives her talk, this is what I'm going to go out and say on stage. But coincidentally, I related to it so much, the whole big smile, well-dressed thing, that I was going through something similar a couple of years ago. And this reminded me of a song that I would like to dedicate to all the women who are fighting a battle like this. 2 lines, very famous song. ये हौसला कैसे रुके, ये आरज़ू कैसे झुके. Thank you. So the next speaker, ladies and gentlemen, is an ethical hacker. And not just of computers, but also of phenomenal new ideas and experiments. And where does he hack these from? From his own brilliant mind. So he is a brilliant mind, he is a thinker, an iconoclast, and an experimenter. A credit card security entrepreneur and long-term investor who has now turned into a blockchain entrepreneur. His domains incorporate Bitcoin, blockchain internet collaboration, and international investments enabled through technology and internet marketplaces. He's also an avid traveler who has traveled across more than 120 countries and worked in all the continents except Antarctica. I don't know why that has not happened yet, but ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for founder of Ranchi Mall, Mr. Rohit Tripathi.
Good morning. Good morning. That's it. Well, it's always a miracle to see all my friends sitting out here.
Investments are subject to market risk. Please read the offer documents.
Carefully before investing. Thank you so much, Rohit. And those of you who are interested in Bitcoin and blockchain, you know who to go and meet after this is over. Well, okay. How many of you have ever used an elevator? Come on, yeah. Elevator, lift.
Come on, everybody.
And whenever I have specially gone in an elevator, the first thing that I notice is that board that says 8 to 10 persons allowed. So you read that and then you decide how many kilos you are adding onto the lift. But there is one more thing which I think in 95% of the lifts I've seen, which is the Otis sign. So the next speaker, ladies and gentlemen, there is a lot to tell about him. But in short, after everything that he is doing, and while he is coming up with these new connected elevators, he also finds time for running and writing. Whether he can do the two together is something that we'll have to ask him. Please put your hands together for Dr. Sridhar Rajagopal from Otis Elevator Company. Welcome, sir.
Good morning. Have you noticed?
Wow. I would just like to ask, sir, whether your son or daughter has ever said, just chill, Dad. I've got it. Well, also on that note, I would really like to thank him and Otis for the new elevators. You know why? Because this is coming from deep within a very lazy person who doesn't like to walk at all. So thank you once again, sir. Now, guys, before we move on to our next speaker, are you guys ready for a small therapeutic session? Something that involves a little bit of movement and maybe interaction? If you say yes, it's never going to happen. Are you ready? Yes. Because this is literally going to be very exciting. So next we have an artist who's also a mother of 2 teenagers who has always had the willingness to learn, and she says that she's still learning. And she has motivated herself to become a dance movement therapist. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Pooja Biani for a therapeutic session. Huge round of applause.
Hello everyone. Am I audible now? Yes, thank you. Yeah. How are you all? How are you all feeling? Okay. It's been a long time.
Come on, I think we should all stand up and give her a round of applause because she forced all of us to move. Thank you so much, Pooja. And thank you all of you for being so kind and just listening to whatever I'm asking you to do.
So the next speaker, ladies and gentlemen, has a very rich and varied experience in complex project management, strategic business technology and platform rollout, and operationalization, marketing and brand management. He's a leader and builder of companies from scratch to market dominance. The leadership of Lord Krishna fascinates him. He's concise and is currently managing a customer base of over 12 million and revenues of more than rupees 3,000 crores annually. Yes, please welcome the CEO of Reliance Jio, Mr. Shubhro Chatterjee.
Good afternoon. Still, I think the response is pretty weak. Good afternoon. Yeah, that's better. So,
You know, when Subhro sir was talking about how you have to
Add value to the people around you. I realized that I do add a lot of value to the people around me and in society, except my father and these few relatives who are always going to think that there is no value to me and I'll be the black sheep of the family. So thank you so much for inspiring somebody even like me, sir. Moving on, our next speaker, ladies and gentlemen, if you have spoken to him, he must have pretty much studied your behavior, because he says that he is a very passionate student of human behavior. He finds it meaningful to engage in any sort of interaction or conversation around human behavior. He earned his Fellow of Management degree in Organizational Behavior from XLRI Jamshedpur. The goal of his work is to make himself and the world clearer in their thinking, more capable in their perspective thinking, and more emotionally intelligent. Currently working with IIM Ranchi as an assistant professor, specializing in organizational behavior. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Mr. Gaurav Manohar Marathe.
Okay, lot many times the loop has been already broken.
गौरव सर, आमचे प्रोफेसर्स इतके चांगले का नव्हते? I just asked him why were our professors not like this. I would have definitely given my attendance every day, not that I did not. So, before I move on further and we take this program and culminate it, I would like all of you to please give a huge round of applause to each of our esteemed speakers. It was really, really insightful. And you guys have been a really kind audience, and thank you so much for that. Now it's time to move on and make our speakers feel even more special. I would like to invite on stage Mr. Siddharth Tripathi. And I would like Mr. Siddharth Tripathi to present a small memento to Mary Stella ma'am. Please come on stage. Huge round of applause. Keep the claps going, guys.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. I would request Mr. UP Shah to please come on stage. And can I have Mr. Rohit Tripathi on stage, please?
Well, Mr. UP sir was, he started the startup policy of Jharkhand. And he also did the proxy policy of Jharkhand. It's very, very
Thank you, sir. Next, I would like to invite Mr. Kamchi Raman and Mr. Sridhar Gopal on stage. Mr. Kamchi Raman. Oh, ma'am. I'm so sorry. Come on, guys, keep the claps going. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Next, I would like to invite Professor Amar Tiga on stage, please. And can I have Shubhro sir on stage as well?
Congratulations. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Can I have Mr. Praveen Rajgadia and Gaurav sir on stage, please? Thank you, sir. Can I have HP Biani ji on stage and Pooja Biani ji on stage as well? Welcome, sir. Pooja ma'am, is he also your father? Well, huge round of applause. That's a big deal. She's so formally casual. She's like, thank you, Papa. Okay, next can I have Shamik sir on stage, please, and Sumedha ji on stage as well. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. And last but not the least, can I have Mr. Rajiv Gupta up on stage and the director of XISS. Huge, huge round of applause. Thank you, sirs. Many congratulations to all of you. And now what to do? Something without which an event is completely incomplete. We have to take out our phones and click a lot of photographs, guys. Hai na? That is why we are all dressed up here listening to these amazing talks so that we can each get our time, our fame with the speakers. So I would invite all the speakers to please come on stage, and we'll have some participants who would like to come and click photographs so that we can get it done all at once. Please. Come on, all the speakers, you have to be more energetic. This is photo time. Thank you so much, sir. I'm really wondering, like, where did we go wrong? Why didn't we have such cool professors, yaar? Sir, can I please take admission here again? Director sir is not reacting. He's like, no. Like, sorry. That's all the space that we can give you. But honestly, thank you so much for being a wonderful, wonderful audience. If I've said anything that offended anybody, I'm extremely sorry. And I'm really thankful to TEDx, to Rajiv sir, and everybody who was involved who thought that I was capable enough to handle this stage. It was a pleasure standing there and listening to each of the talks that our speakers gave, because somewhere or the other, I truly believe that we are all breaking the loop. And let's just hope that we continue breaking the loops in the coming years and keep organizing such amazing TEDx sessions. Thank you so much. And before I call you guys or open the stage for selfies and photographs, again, there's a song which I relate to breaking the loop quite a bit. It's a very famous song by Shankar Mahadevan. आसमां के पार शायद और कोई आसमां होगा, बादलों के पर्वतों पर कोई बारिश काम का होगा, मैं हवा के परों पे कहाँ जा रही हूँ कहाँ. Thank you. Thank you. And we can all take selfies now.